In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and customize a graph using Canva, an essential skill for anyone looking to create compelling and visually appealing data presentations. Let's dive right into the process and start with accessing your Canva project. Make sure you have your project open and ready to go. If you haven't already created one, you'll need to set up a design template within Canva, which offers a wide range of customizable options to fit your needs, whether you're working on a business report, a school project, or a marketing presentation. The first thing you need to do is navigate to your Canva project where you've either planned to add a graph or already have one in place. Selecting the right project is crucial because this is where you'll be applying your customizations and adjustments. Take a moment to visualize how you'd like your final presentation to look, as this will guide your decisions throughout the editing process. Once you've opened your project, it's time to select your graph. This is done by clicking on the graph within your design workspace. Upon selecting it, you'll notice the data options appearing on the left-hand side of the screen. Canva provides an intuitive layout here, allowing you to easily understand and interact with your data. This side panel is your control center for all adjustments related to your graph, providing you with the tools to tweak everything from data inputs to graph styles. Now it's time to adjust the scale of your graph according to your specific needs. You can do this by modifying the data table, which directly influences how your graph represents information. If your data points seem clustered or too spread out, tweaking the scale can greatly enhance readability and the overall visual impact. Carefully review the categories and numerical values, ensuring they accurately reflect the information you wish to communicate. These adjustments are important because they help tailor your visualization to better suit your audience. Whether you need to highlight trends, make comparisons, or underscore specific data points, refining your graph scale is crucial for effective communication. As you adjust, take a moment to think about any potential misinterpretations and ensure that your data is represented clearly and accurately. And there you have it, you're done. You've successfully navigated through selecting and adjusting a graph within Canva, enhancing its visual and informational effectiveness. Remember, the beauty of Canva lies in its user-friendly interface and customizable options, which means you can revisit and revise your project as needed. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner exploring new ways to present data, mastering these steps will empower you to create even more engaging and impactful visuals. Feel free to explore further customization features and make your project truly stand out. Thank you for watching and happy designing.